Bam. What's going on, guys? Just waiting for the stream to be official. All right, we're here. Good morning, everybody. I thought I'd stream a lot. I thought I would stream this morning because I didn't do a live stream yesterday, and I didn't do a morning show yesterday. So, how's everybody doing? I'm just opening up my chat and stuff, and then we're going to get into a bunch of stuff because it looks like we're going to have a green open. Futures are, the market's up 1%, and we are going to be taking a look at, let's see here. We're going to be taking a look, we're going to be taking a look at the cannabis stocks, seeing what they're up to. What's up, everybody? Sorry, guys. There we go. All right. Let's see what we're looking at here. All right. So let me just pull up the cannabis stocks. So it's a mild green open. So far, we're getting ACB up 1.3%, APHRIA up 1.59%, and NBEV up 1.88%. What's up, Tom? What's up, Ms. C? What's up, everybody? Good morning. Hit that like button if you just joined the room, please, and thank you. If you guys could, I'd very much appreciate that.
I had a terrible day.
That's the wrong button. It's a green day so far. We're just waiting for the rest of these cannabis stocks to open. A lot of these are delayed quotes. So one article I can bring to you guys, Wall Street set to jump at the open on trade progress. So Wall Street was set to open sharply higher on Tuesday as signs progress in trade talks between the US and China eased jitters over fragile relations between the world's two biggest economies and have roiled the markets for months. So the developments come as the two countries discussed a roadmap for the next stage of their trade talks. Shares of U.S. automakers, so GM's up 3%, Ford's up 3%, Caterpillar, Boeing, Industrials. What is your opinion on ACB buying into Mexico? Let's go APHRIA. I think it's another market that they're getting into, and as long as there's not too much dilution. I mean, that's everything that ACB does. My only concern is dilution. T-God, I think T-God is at a good price right now. Obviously, anything I say on here, don't buy the stock because I said it. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think T-God's looking pretty good right now. I have heard that T-God does have a couple issues. All right, guys. How's everybody doing this morning? 63 people so far. Hit that like button if you just joined the room. Now there was something else. So for anybody, I hit 13,000 subscribers overnight, and then we dropped off too. So if anybody's new and hasn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I would much appreciate that and get me back to 13,000 subscribers. So anyways, we're seeing, Aurora's up 1%, APHRIA's up 0.9%, Canopy's up 0.7%. In about 5 minutes, we're going to get all the rest of the cannabis stocks opening. Yeah, don't go unsubscribe, guys. I wouldn't be very... Oh, we're still at 12,998. It's okay. I hope we'll get there today. So what's everybody up to today? How's your morning going? Any questions you guys have? I'm going to stream for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Guaranteed green for you. That is true. So guys, I've got some big news. I've got some big news for everybody tuning in. So on Thursday at 1:30 p.m., I'll be on Midas Letter Live. I think it's live. I'll be on Midas Letter at 1:30 on Thursday. So I'll be in Toronto all day, and I'll be shooting a bunch of cool videos with Investing Hustler and also going on Midas Letter. So I'm really excited for that. I look forward to that. And yeah, it'll be fun. So tune into Midas Letter, and I'll be on the show. So I'm pretty pumped about that. If you guys watch Midas Letter, I know that you guys are, a lot of you guys focus on the cannabis sector, so you probably watch Midas Letter. Of course not, Tom the Trader. I appreciate you're always here. Yeah, 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's correct. That's correct. So it should be fun. I look forward to it. But we're also going to be putting out some awesome videos, me and Investing Hustler. Investing Hustler's probably still sleeping right now. He doesn't live stream. He sometimes live streams with me. But yeah. We're definitely going to be doing more collabs. We're going to do a collab today, me and Investing Hustler. Will I take my naughty button? I mean, whoops. That's a good idea. I think James would like it personally. I think James might get a kick out of it. I heard he's a pretty funny guy, so yeah, I'm looking forward to kicking it with James and seeing what he's up to. He's got a nice studio, so yeah, Midas Letter is a very professional channel. They've got a lot of great connections, so I'm looking forward to working with them. APHRIA in the $6 range. I want to average down. I think it will go up. Yeah, see, let's actually, you know what, guys? We're not just going to talk here. We're actually going to show you guys some information and a bunch of different stocks.
Even in a world that uses less oil, demand for Canadian
Sorry, my computer just started making noises.
Canada's resources are developed in an environment of political stability and strict
Let's turn that
industrial
off. I think this computer has a virus, and it just, oh no, and it just decides to talk sometimes. Sorry about that, guys. Hey. Hey, Ramdat. Ramdat's always got this, he's always got the comments. No hating, guys. There's only love on this channel. Okay, let's see here. Hit that like button if you're new in the room. 69 people and only 17 likes. So we're seeing APHRIA rise today, guys. We're seeing APHRIA up 2% already. Oh, we got one more subscriber. One more subscriber, and we're going to hit 13,000 again. There's nothing like hitting it and then dropping back off. So who wants to be the 13,000th subscriber? All right. Back to business. Back to business, guys. Oh, shoot. What am I doing? I'm sorry, guys. Love Aurora. Don't we all? Don't we all love Aurora? It's our biggest position. So there's the 1 week chart for APHRIA. We sold off a little bit after the bounce, but we're actually holding on to most of their gains. Did you guys know that? What's up, Kyle? Show me the goods, brother. Did you guys know that Citron Research put a $10 Canadian price target on APHRIA? If you guys watch Rich TV Live and Investing Hustler, they were talking about it. Citron Research put out a $10 price target on APHRIA, which is ironic because they're heavy shorters in the cannabis space. So they shorted Namaste, they shorted Cronos, they shorted, I forget what was the other one, but Citron Research has put out a $10 price target on APHRIA. So make money on the way down, make money on the way up. I guess that's how it is. A reverse split. Sorry, my neck's a little bit sore. So it's just you're either increasing the amount of shares or reducing the amount of shares. So on a stock split, if it's a 1-to-2 split, they're increasing the amount of shares, but then the value of the shares gets cut in half. And then if they're doing a reverse split, the value of the stock would go up, but the amount of shares would shrink. So the difference between that kind of stuff, I mean, a stock that is valued higher might be more, how do you say it? Might be more attractive for funds and stuff. A fund might not want to invest in a couple dollar stock, but a fund might want to invest in a stock that's, let's say, $50 or $100. Why? Who's splitting? Who's doing a reverse split? Oh, $10 Canadian. $10 Canadian. Yep. $10 Canadian price target. Citron Research just put out. Oh, 1301. Thank you, guys. Thank you to whoever just subscribed. I appreciate everybody in my live stream. So yeah, anyways, back to business. Back to business as I get so easily sidetracked. Heard USD. Really? I mean, if you want to post the article, feel free. I'll read it right now for everyone to see. Hit that like button or I'm going to send a Trojan horse to anyone who I appreciate it. Yeah, feel free to share stuff in the chat, guys. I will approve your links as long as it's not to some naughty website.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
No naughty websites, just relevant information, please. So, I have a fun question to engage the chat. Where's everybody from? I like to ask this question to get things started. Post it up, Kyle, or let us know what you're talking about, and we can talk about it. Ontario, Calgary, Alberta, Michigan. Campaign funds are not. Yeah, Toronto, Germany. What's up, Germany? I'm a quarter German, but you'd never tell because I'm half Italian. Sweden, Illinois. What up, Mike? Indiana. Belgium. I think it's so cool that even people in Europe are watching my channel, tuning in. I think it's great. I love that. I think Departures Capital is in a bunch of European countries. It's only about maybe 1% of my subscriber base per country. But I think it's awesome. Brampton gets no love. Why not? Brampton gets love. We're here in Waterloo, KW. So a lot of people are moving from Brampton to this area. So keep increasing those house prices. Oh, I got some more news, guys. I've got a video. What do you guys think? Oh, Bend, Oregon. Say what? No, what? No, what doesn't? I'll be dropping a video. I'm not too sure if I should do it today or tomorrow or soon. What's up, Windsor? Yes. I'm dropping a video today. Or no, sorry, I'm dropping a video soon. It's my first in-person interview. It's about real estate investing. Is that something that you guys might be interested in watching? Let's see. We'll go back for you guys. All right. Interested. Cool. Well, there it is. That's a quick little, just a little show of it. It's private right now. It's private right now, but we'll have that up later this week. And it's something that you guys can watch. It's actually like a full interview, a 30-minute long, Friend of mine built an awesome real estate team. He's a real estate investor. Long Beach, California, Peter. I'm so jealous. Let's check the weather right now for you. The weather here currently is -4. How's the weather in Long Beach? So anyways, we're getting the open now. So New Strike Brands up 6%, Weed MD. We're seeing a lot of green, guys. A lot of green in the small cap stocks. Tilray and Kush bottles, Oxy Cannabis and Namaste are in the red. The rest pretty much in the green. Yeah. I'll put the stream on my phone so I don't have to keep looking over at the other computers as I'm trying to show you guys this other stuff too. So here, let's do that so it's easier for us here. And then we can talk about the open. Perfect. What's up, Perry? Okay. Anyways, guys. New Strike Brands leading the way up 6.25%. Who likes hip? What's up, Max? Perry, what are you talking about? Yes, I know. It's time to come to California, but actually, I'll be heading to Antigua and St. John's in Antigua and Barbuda in about 2 weeks. So you guys will have better views, better market minute views, better video views. So I'll shoot some good stuff for you guys. All right. Weed MD up almost 4%. Trulieve up 3.5%. MedBen's in the green today. MedBen's stock has done terrible. Look at the chart for MedBen, guys. It looks like it's leveling out in the low threes. MedBen at $6. Personally, I don't know. I heard a lot of good about the company. I heard some bad about the company. But if we look at the chart, MedMen might be getting attractive in the low threes. If you guys... So a buddy of mine, I'll tell you a little quick story about MedMen. He just said, like, the Farm Bill, we're still waiting on the news. MedMen, he's a financial advisor at RBC, and he was just telling me how much they liked MedMen, but at almost $7, the stock was just way too expensive, personally, I think. But now we're back down to $3, so that might be one to take a look at. What's up, guys? Anyone new in the room? Hit that like button, please. I appreciate it. And let's keep this stream live and running. I'll try it. It's already been 25 minutes. It feels like it's been like 4 minutes. Just because I like to talk to you guys. All right, let's answer some of these questions. You should come with me in the spring. He's going to take me on a tour of T-God. Really? I'd love to do that. Really? Joel? Feel free to post that link. I'll be more than happy to approve it. Here, let's see. Sorry, Kyle. Let me... There we go. All right. Latest Trump scandal would have destroyed any other president. Audio released of president discussing buying a model's story will change little, both in the US and the UK. Too many votes don't seem to care. Shall we cast our minds back to the more innocent era of 1992 when the presidential campaign of a young Southern governor by the name of Bill Clinton was nearly derailed by claims that he'd had an extramarital affair with a former lounge singer in the name of Jennifer Flowers. That is true. And look what's going on with Trump, and Nothing's happening. What up, Paul? Hey, Mike. CRFSD huge 16C, 16 cents. Yeah, I'm with the T-God guy. If that's true, the UK Parliament is more of a mess than I thought. I love Slick Bill. Let's get this stream to 100 people, guys. Let's shoot for 100 people. Hit that like button. Anyways, back to coverage on the markets. So, let's see here. We've got IGC up 14%. Jeez. Traders are liking IGC today. What's Aurora doing? APHRIA up 2%. Oh. Aurora up 1.83%, so it is looking like a green day. Aurora's moving back closer to $8. We'll see if we can get back up there. It'd be nice to get back up to $8 for Aurora and hold $8. No real news on HIP. So let's look at the chart for ACB. I mean, personally, this dip that we saw here is looking a lot like this dip that we just saw right here. New Strike brands. I haven't looked at the charts for New Strike brands in a while, so let's take a look. I know it is one of our small cap picks. Let's see the 1 month chart. 1 year chart. I think we're getting close to the bottom for New Strike brands, maybe 40 cents. Right in around this time. The chart looks pretty good for New Strike brands. Yep. That is true. All right, guys. So, do you guys want me to recap the rest of the market and the open? Or do you want to chat more about cannabis stocks? We are seeing energy stocks in the green. Athabasca Oil, Vermilion Energy, Precision Drilling. Okay. Well, I'm just going to go into it. We'll take a look at a bunch of stuff. We've got US cannabis stocks. These are all the American side. Altria and Cronos down. The rest pretty much in the green. Hey, Paul, what's going on? New picks. No. We're seeing, I'm going to assume we're seeing a rally in the FANG stocks. 1 second, guys. Yep, we're seeing big red in the FANG stocks, led by Weibo. Led by Chinese FANG, or Chinese equivalent FANG stocks. JD.com's up 3.3%. Tencent's up 2.6%. Alibaba's up to 154. I believe Alibaba was a good buy at 140-ish. Alphabet, Google up 1.3%. Amazon up 1%. Apple. Apple just can't catch a break. I was watching Kramer yesterday talking about Apple. Just saying how this is one of the stocks to trade if you're looking for a bounce. But Apple just can't get any love. I feel like Apple's going to sell down to their 52-week high or low. I think the whole cannabis sector will be affected by the Farm Bill. I think the sector's waiting for a catalyst, a positive catalyst. That would be nice. I think Apple's going to sell down to maybe the lowest of 150s. A lot of funds are going to be scooping up Apple in the new year, though. Personally, look at it. It fell off right off a cliff. Yes, Max, I know. All right, we'll call you Glenn. Who gave that one dislike? Show your face. I'm just kidding. Show yourself. I won't be sad. I was just talking to Investing Hustler about how we feel like there's one person that subscribes to both of our channels who just to dislike our videos, because there's always like one dislike. It's pretty funny though. All right, guys, so let's see what else we got here. Canadian cannabis. Choom, there we go. Choom is leading the show up 9.8% in terms of the Canadian cannabis stocks. It's funny that you just mentioned that. Scarborough guy. Would you be from Scarborough? Oh, so that's you, Max. I see how it is. I'm just kidding. So, do you guys like these morning live streams? Do you guys like these morning live streams? All right, sweet. I'll do them when I can. Sweet, sweet. I'm happy to hear it, guys. Well, I do think that, if we get... So I think there's 3 factors that could potentially push ACB over 10 at least. Well, 10's not that big of a stretch, but I think that we need to see the markets healthy, which could happen late December or into January, as the funds are going to rebalance, and there's probably going to be a lot of fund managers shopping for the new year. I feel like we're going to see some buying. We're going to see some buying in January, I'm hoping. So it'd be nice to see a little bit of a market rally in January to get some positivity in the markets. Then we got the Farm Bill. Hopefully that can give us some positivity. And then, of course, we're going to be getting into earnings. Like, getting these next earnings are going to be like 10 times more important than the last quarter's earnings, because last quarter's earnings had like no rec sales. So the next quarter is going to be huge, because we'll see what happens. I mean, we'll see how much the Canadian what is it? 6-9. We'll see how much the Canadian government has bottlenecked the industry like they always do. So we'll see. We'll see. I hope that it's all positive, though. If we can fix this trade war, don't think anything? Yeah. I hope so. I hope so right now. So yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. I think those are the things that could propel the cannabis stocks. What do I think about 6-9? Yes, you did make me laugh. All you guys make me laugh. Sometimes your comments are kind of hilarious. Oh my. Okay. So anyone new to the room, I'm not going to tell you to hit the like button, but I'm going to tell you that at 1:30 this Thursday, I'm going to be on Midas Letter. For anybody who's new tuning in. Me and Midas will be kicking it. Most stocks won't go really high unless he's going to be doing 6-9 in the sell. I should have changed the thumbnail to a picture of Tekashi 6-9. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, But the problem is, Rich is in BC and Midas is in Toronto, but they could do a Zoom interview or a Skype call or something like that. So he probably will be too. I'll definitely be bringing that up with Rich, because me and Rich do work together quite a bit. So want to get him on there too. It's just more convenient for me because I'm in Toronto and I'm very close to Toronto. I can just head up to Toronto and go on the show. Pure, still waiting on news for Pure. Still waiting on news for Pure. There should be some news for Pure, hopefully in the next week or two. It was supposed to be last week, so yeah. We'll see what happens, guys. So how's everybody feeling this morning about the Open? We're seeing some green. We're seeing Charlotte's Web. You know, I can't help but thinking about a little spider when I hear Charlotte's Web. It's just, who chose the name for this company? But they're a great company when it comes to playing on hemp and the Farm Bill, I think. So WeedMD. Oh, another thing, guys, for anybody who watched my market minute yesterday, the position of the webcam, my face was in the middle of all the charts, and I wanted to apologize for that. I realized it after I had the video recorded, and when I record my videos, I put all my energy into my videos. So having to shoot it again right after I thought that I shot a good video, takes all my energy away. So I just figured that you guys might understand. So yeah. On Friday it was the sound that messed up. Monday was the webcam position that messed up. Today we're gonna have a perfect market minute, I promise. I feel like I'm just showing these stocks and answering questions, as long as I'm keeping you guys happy. Huge growing facility in Hope, BC, owned by CanTrust, that has been being built for 3 years. Anyone know why they're taking so long? Not too sure. Maxed out, not too sure. Alibaba. Apple's still in the red. So anyways, guys, let's take a look at a few more. Oil. We're seeing green for oil, lots of green for oil stocks, crypto stocks. Ooh. Let's see what the mining sector is doing. Why is this small? There we go. First Majestic, Royal Nickel, Wheaton Precious Metals, Fortuna Silver, Gold Corp all in the green. Let's check into commodities. All right, so we're seeing a green day for commodities. Crude's catching a 2.5% bounce, and we're seeing nat gas down 3%. Silver, top performer among the precious metals today. What stocks? We've got a really diversified portfolio. Cannabis stocks or stocks in general. Cannabis stocks, ACB is the biggest holding. Some APHRIA still. Some international cannabis brands. Whaling Group. Oxley Cannabis. I need to go back to the cannabis stocks, I forget. Let's see here, guys. All right. Pure Global, yes. We have Pure Global. No Alephia Health. American, yes. Namaste, yes. APHRIA, yes. Aurora, yes. No True Leave. Cronos. We had Cronos. No Cronos. I want to add Hexo. Oxy, yes. Sold Canopy. T-God, yes. And International Canna Brands. 8.5 cents. Plan to hold ACB long term. ACB is the long-term hold for us. But if you want to talk stocks in general, before we get into that, the other stocks that we have, let's talk about, ACB hard long-term, I agree with that. So just thinking stocks that are on my watch list, I like Hexo as a bigger stock, but in terms of smaller cap stocks that I do like AURORA Cannabis. I like their business model. The stock hasn't done very well. It's sold off substantially, but I do like AURORA's business model. And then of course, Pure Global's got some interesting. Pure Global's pretty interesting, and Alifia Health, FSD Pharma, and International Canna Brands. Pumped. So anyways, guys, the question was, what else do we have? So the rest of it is a lot of dividend paying companies. So we do own the financials. Do you have a lot of oil and gas stocks in the Canadian oil space that haven't done very well, although high yielding? We own a lot of utility companies. So if you see here, utility companies. So I'll get right back into the cannabis stocks. I know all you guys want to talk about the cannabis stocks, but I'm a big believer in utility companies, especially in this environment. So Crius is an underperformer. We own Crius. We own Algonquin Power and Utilities, one of the biggest positions we have. No TransAlta. We own Fortis. We own ATCO. We own Canadian Utilities. We own XLU. Shoot. What else? This is just one I want to talk about. It's not a cannabis stock, guys, but this is one of our best performing stocks. Algonquin Power and Utilities Corporation. What up, Four Seasons? So yeah, this stock has just drastically outperformed the markets. So that's one I like. It's a Canadian utility co, and it's yielding 4.66%. Very sustainable dividend. And I also like Fortis. Fortis was, and I also like Welltower. Welltower is a position that we're going to be adding to. Welltower and XLU. Awesome performing stocks. Welltower is a healthcare and retirement real estate investment trust. Bought Welltower at $50. Bought this dip hard. Why? Okay, let's answer some questions. Why do ACB and weed seem to correlate heavily with market indexes? We do own AltaGas. It's an underperforming stock like crazy. But we do own AltaGas. In and around the $20 range. So yes, we're down on it. Let's see here. ACB and Canopy, I believe they track the indexes because they're growth stocks. They're growth stocks just like the FANG stocks. And, you know, if the market's down, investors are going to sell growth stocks. But at the same time, I mean, you could look at cannabis as a hedge in a sense, just like a tobacco stock like Philip Morris, Altria. Those stocks could be viewed as a little defensive. But I do think that, you know, well, I know that cannabis stocks are growth stocks. They're not really, they are, but they're not defensive stocks. So when the market's going down, I mean, investors are going to take risk off. They're going to pile into defensive stocks. So anyways, what were we talking about? Yeah, congrats on 13K. Thank you very much. Let's see where we're at now. Have we gained? Oh, we're just hovering 1301. So thanks for whoever subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Get me to 14. I'm just kidding. But hit that like button too. That'd be sweet. So, dividends in the marijuana sector. I think that we're a little ways away from that, just because, I mean, Canada's the only market that's opened up. I think that, you know, in terms of dividends, we're going to have to see these companies at full production capacity. We're going to have to see the states legalize, and we're going to have to see a couple bigger markets fully legalize and have these companies established in those countries. When growth and profits start to stabilize, then I think we could see dividends. But for now, these companies are just trying to grab up market share because it's like the wild, wild west right now. I mean, there's just, it's such a new industry. There's so many uncertainties. There's so many, they don't even know all the uses for cannabis yet. Like Canopy's trying to get, like, I just released a video like a day or two ago. I can show you guys if you didn't watch it. My funny thumbnails. So, where was it? Maybe I just passed it. Will these $4 billion industries make Canopy growth number one? So, ACB hit $8. Nice. ACB at 4.3%. It's a green day. But anyways, getting back to what I was talking about. I mean, Canopy, for example, they're getting into sleep medication. They're getting into opioids. They're getting into, you know, drugs for pets and stuff. So the industry's so new in terms of paying dividends. I think they're going to take all that money and just grow as much and as fast as possible. I am not high. Thanks though. That's a good one. It's not the first time I've gotten that. Max. I am 100% not high. I'm drinking green tea. Come on, guys. You want to check my eyes? They might be a little bit red from lack of sleep, but I'm not high. I'll hit that button for you, though.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
Do-it-yourself Git Run is a naughty guy for accusing me of being high on live stream. Who would be high on live stream? Come on, man. Hit that like button. Anyways. ACB 798. Yeah, I don't know. I've never really tried that. I have a funny story, actually. That's right. Well, I mean, that's true. Scarborough guy, that is true. That is very true. Drinking when the stock market is trading is an interesting thing, though. I have a funny story if you guys want to hear. If you guys want to hear my funny story about drinking when the stock market was open, hit that like button, get me to 50 likes, and I will tell you guys a really funny story when I was in the Philippines about drinking when the stock market's open. My neck hurts. Come on, guys, you can do it. $43. You're so close. 40. Oh. Oh, it's a very. Oh, who just hit that dislike button? Yeah. Come on, 50 likes. I'll tell you guys a funny story. A very funny story. Can't like twice. Okay, fine. We'll cut it down to 45 likes. Oh, 3 dislikes now. Come on, guys. 45 likes, I'll tell you guys this story. It's all good. It's all good. One more like, and I'll tell you that story. Yo, you guys are killing me. Let's check back in on the markets. Until then, I will tell you. You guys just love giving me those dislikes. Okay, let's get back to, where was it? Where were we now? Sorry, I have lost our chart. I have lost our portfolio. There we go. All right, it's story time, guys. So, you give it up for free, bro. 454545. Golden leaf. Okay, so the funny story of the live stream of today is I was in the Philippines. All right. Merry Christmas. Okay, cool. So story time, guys. I was in the Philippines on vacation when I was living in China, and we went to the club, and the club, that it cost $20 Canadian to get bottle service. So we were having a good time drinking, and of course in the Philippines, the market is open when it's like 2-3 a.m. So at the time, I was shorting crude oil, and I had made a good profit, about $7,000 in a couple days, and I was super happy. So I sold my entire portfolio and then decided to go on a shopping spree from my iPhone in the Philippines buying stocks. And I had about 50 grand to spend, and I woke up the next day to like 15 different stocks in my portfolio, thinking to myself, wow, that was interesting. So, but it turns out I bought a crap load of utility companies and dividend paying stocks. So I managed to piece together a dividend portfolio one night in the Philippines at the club. So it was an interesting time. We'll just say that. So it's a little window into the life of Departures Capital. I'll tell you guys some cool stories. Gotta keep it fun, right? Oh, maxed out. That's great. Big story. 51 likes. Yes, thank you. It was a good story. I mean, it was a pretty funny story. Yeah. And then I ended up losing all of the gains on a fabulous company called Hive Blockchain. So it was a fun time, but it was actually pretty funny because I lost so much money on Hive. I was just like, you know what, guys? I'm going to start a YouTube channel called Departures Capital. And came from humble beginnings. Let's get back to the cannabis stocks. IGC is no longer leading the show. APHRIA is up 6.77%. AURORA Cannabis up 4.3% to $8. Are we hitting some resistance at $8? I'm not too sure. Uh-oh. Yeah. Well, crypto, it's impossible to make money when the underlying commodity that they're mining is just diving. So, pretty cool. Hoping that oh my gosh. I think that's going to be a reality in about a couple years, Max. I think we'll have those. I think Japan probably already has those virtual reality helmets. So back to our market watch. What do you guys like? Do you guys like to talk about cannabis stocks, or do you like story time? I think there's a lot of good dividend stocks right now. But I like utility companies. So 2018. I like dividend. I like utility companies if we're looking at dividend stocks, because the energy sector is so uncertain right now. There's so much value in the energy sector, especially the Canadian energy sector. But right now, it's so uncertain with the price of crude and where it's going. So, I mean, yeah, Tyler, of course, welcome to the live stream. But if you're looking at the energy sector, I mean, how much more beat up could it be right now? Golden Leaf Holdings? Sorry, Goldie84. Never to be seen. Which collab are you talking about, Golden Leaf Holdings? Because I follow the stock on a request from a subscriber, but I don't really know that much about the company. I'll be honest. I follow some cannabis stocks just for the sake of following them. So Golden Leaf Holdings is down quite a bit. Whoa, what's going on here? Sorry. Yikes. Holy crap. Rich is a little more knowledgeable when it comes probably to Golden Leaf Holdings than me. So my advice would, like, I can dig up some research on Golden Leaf Holdings, but yeah, I don't know too much about the company, so I'm not just going to BS it. So I apologize for that. Not CBD green tea, Aaron. All right, guys, so I'm going to answer a few other questions. These are not cannabis related. We got a question about the best dividend stock to invest in, some good energy companies. So we'll get into some different portfolios real quick here, guys. We're seeing a green day, so I'm sure you guys aren't that impatient in terms of seeing APHRIA go up 6% and AURORA touch $8. So that's a pretty good day. So we're going to take a look at some oil and gas stocks. So Tyler, for example, we're looking at energy companies. So if you want to if you want the best play on crude, like directly correlated to the price of WTI, top 3 picks for 2018, although they have underperformed like crazy, I would say is Meg Energy, Athabasca Oil Sands, Meg Energy, and Baytex Energy. But the stocks are all in the gutter right now because Canada has big problems with pipelines and getting the oil, and Canadian crude is selling at such a heavy discount to WTI. Canadian oil producers are getting screwed. We were able to profit at $70 a barrel, but now we're just getting screwed. So the Canadian energy sector, yes, it's super cheap right now. Could it take another year or two to recover? If it recovers, I mean, it's like you got to be patient when it comes to that stuff. Vermilion Energy. Okay, so Vermilion Energy. Where's the other one? TransCanada Pipeline, Vermilion Energy, and Enbridge. Those are a couple Canadian dividend stocks that might be worth taking a look at if you're looking at stocks in the energy sector. Enbridge just It's a pretty solid company. We do have quite a position in energy. Cryos Energy Trust has a dividend yield of 18.75%. Yes, it does. My only concern is if they're going to cut it, just like AltaGas. AltaGas, through their acquisition of WG Holdings, is down to under 14 bucks with a dividend yield of 15.5%. That is true. That is true. Buying a dividend, or sorry, buying an energy ETF is a easier way to play the energy sector. Although you could select a couple stocks depending on the amount of money that you're looking to put into the market. I mean, am I bullish on energy for 2019? Yes, of course. I just don't know how much lower it can go. But if you're looking at other dividend stocks, I'm weary on the financials right now just as the yield curve is inverting. Looking like it's going to invert. But utility companies. So there's a lot of utility companies I like right now. Algonquin Power is a little expensive, but it's a good dividend stock. Fortis is a good stock. Canadian Utilities and ATCO. These are three companies. Let's see where they're at. Yeah, Fortis has been on a run. We were buying Fortis all this year. So we were buying Fortis on the up. Canadian Utilities, I believe, hasn't done as good. And then ATCO. Let's see here. I'm losing my voice now. Enron. Enron's my #1 stock pick for 2019. Can you just go back to your energy stocks? So, yeah, sure, no problem. There you go. Wait, I'll put it. Oh, sorry, those are utility codes. I'll find them. There you go. Oil and gas. Enjoy. Enjoy before we go to the cannabis stocks. We're seeing all energy stocks in the green for the most part. Tell me when you got that screenshot, Lucas. We're going back to cannabis. Thanks. We're going back to cannabis. There we go. Citron is buying up APHRIA today. Back up to 8 bucks. Hey guys, you know what's funny? APHRIA is at 8 bucks and AURORA is at 8 bucks. Oh my gosh. What a day. What a day. More insight on ACB. Why is my phone doing this? There we go. You can export the portfolio list on the website. Shout out to my drone channel, could you? Do you have a drone channel, Kyle? What a time to be alive. What a time to be in Departures Capital's live stream. Right? Damn. Damn, guys. We're seeing more green. It's nice. It's a good day. NBEV leading the way up 7.969%. IGC up 6.4%. I'm gonna text Investing Hustler, see what he's up to. Hey Hey man, are you awake? See if we can get an investing hustler on. I don't know though. We might not be able to. It's okay though. Have I been streaming for an hour yet? Yeah, I think that it's more of a trader stock. I think that most of the long money is out of IGC now. Or maybe it was never long money, it was just traders. Bunch of retail money got burnt. Unfortunately, IGC crashed. I feel like we blinked and IGC went from 14 to nothing. It went from nothing to 14 to nothing. Yeah, that might be a good idea. That might be a good idea to cash out on APHRIA at 10. Because they'll probably start shorting it again. Okay. Whoa, I can see myself. That's my real estate video. Alright guys, subscriber count. Live subscriber count. Oh, we just went down one. Who unsubscribed? Can't we just stay above 13K? So guys, what's the next topic? Because my friends are funny. Oh my gosh. What? ACB's just above, just back to $8. What's up, Lucas? No news on the hemp farm bill just yet, unless that's why the market's out open, or unless what? Hemp farm bill. News. Hemp companies poised to list in U.S. as farm bill goes to vote 2 hours ago. The Toronto Star. I know, right? I put this on. I'll be honest, guys. I was 5 minutes late for this live stream, and what the heck is this? I was late for this live stream. I put this green jacket on, hoping for green today, and it's green, and I'm happy. Investors looking for exposure to the burgeoning. I'm a terrible reader, guys, if you haven't noticed. U.S. cannabis sector may not have to go north much longer, with U.S. lawmakers likely to vote to legalize hemp soon. Cannabis company Vertical Co's plans to spin off its hemp assets into a separate company called Vertical Wellness and listed on the NASDAQ. Who cares about that? I just want to know about the cannabis bill, or the hemp bill. That's true. Good news seems to bring us red days. Well, I'm wearing this jacket for now. I feel like I've got like 3 different outfits for the market. I wear my leather jacket when things are crappy or so-so. I wear this green jacket when the market's green. I need one more outfit. What else should I wear? Oh, one sec. I gotta send a video. Do you guys know Brandon? Brandon Beavis Investing. One second, guys. So, sending him a video right now. So Brandon, we're giving you a shout out on my live stream. Check out Brandon's video on the yield curve. It was the best video I've ever seen explaining the yield curve. So check it out, guys. There's your shout out. You paint that button green yet? Nah, man. I didn't. Hold on a sec. We're behind on the comments. All right. Give me a memento. I see New Zealand is thinking of making medical pot more widely available. That'd be pretty cool. Great live stream, big guy. What's up, Jordan? Haven't been on for a while. Lots of stuff going on here. Does the hemp bill? The hemp bill is still being voted. Back in the day, my buddy's dad, when the Enron thing happened, lost all his money. One basket. That's a really sad story, Kyle. I didn't paint the button. It's too cold to spray paint. That's true. What's the channel name for the yield curve? Brandon Beavis Investing. It's a really good video. I like to give people credit when they make good videos, so he made a really good video on the yield curve. Sorry, Max. Petra Hess just loves it. She just loves advertising on my channel. We need you to wear a Santa Claus hat so we can see a Santa Claus rally. That would be awesome. I would do it if we got a Santa Claus rally. Right now it looks like I'm going to be wearing a Grinch. The Grinch. Drywaller by trade. Kyle, you know, the Enron story is crazy. The fact that they turned a utility company, made them convert their stock to Enron stock, and then the stock completely went off the map. I think that's one of the worst things that could ever happen. Because working for a utility company, putting all your money in retirement into the company and the stock, utility companies should be safe. And that's terrible. So I think the Enron story is a really sad story. How can APHRIA be higher than ACB? But APHRIA was always a more expensive stock. Just look at the amount of shares they have. That's the only thing. How many shares does APHRIA have? Shares outstanding, 248 million shares. ACB's got almost 1 billion. Right? ACB has 950 million shares. So APHRIA was always more expensive. I know, Max, I know. I know you don't like APHRIA. That is true, Ramdat. What also matters is how much money they're funneling offshore. Apparently it's only 6% of their business though, so we'll see what happens. All right. What is next? ACB's at 8:30, really? No, it's not. It's 8:01. But ACB's making a nice bounce. Nice bounce back into the 8s. We'll see what happens, guys. Here, I gotta send him a message. I'll send him one more message. He's in Vancouver, so he's probably not awake yet. I like to support other YouTubers. There we go. Just circled your comment. Sweet. Tell Rich ACB hit $42 a share. I don't think I can ever prank Rich. Rich is up before me. He's in time zone 3 hours before me, and he's still up before me. Rich is a soldier. There's no way I'm pranking Rich. The day I prank Rich, that'll be the day. What's this? Go see Can. It's on sale. Yesterday they sealed a deal with Pure Pharma for oil. Okay. Can, was that CANN? Sorry, I'm terrible. Heritage Cannabis. Oh yeah, Heritage Cannabis. APHRIA's new price target is $10 according to Citron Research. Alta Gas is up 2 cents. What a fabulous day. Tyler, are you talking cannabis or are you talking in general? What's up, Angel? Anyone new to this live stream, I know I haven't said it in a while, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Did I drop below 13,000 subscribers again? What is happening? It's been an annoying day on YouTube, guys. 12,999. Someone hit that subscribe button. Sub $2 stocks. Oh man, that's a good question. What's with the $2? If we're looking at sub $2 stocks, I'm gonna have to pick something in the cannabis sector. Let's see here. Oh, you can't sort by it. Darn. Wow, international cannabis brands up 12.5%. Good one with the Bitcoin one. New Strike Brands. New Strike Brands is an interesting 40-cent stock. Pure Global's one. Namaste is below $2. I don't know much about Weed MD personally. Oxley Cannabis is below $2. 48 North just had a huge run. Vivo is 84 cents. Yeah, those are some I would watch. The only real growth stocks I follow now is in the cannabis sector. One more stock you can take a look at is MGX Minerals. Now this stock is a lithium stock. Got killed. Down to 50 cents. I haven't looked at the chart for a while. Yeah. We own MGX. We own Fortune Minerals. They're very much on sale right now. Let's see. Sorry, guys. 48 North has been performing awesome. IGC's on sale. That is true. Lithium got killed like crazy. Investing Hustler just texted me. One sec. We'll see if Investing Hustler. I just asked him to join the live stream, but we'll see if he joins. You guys want to see Investing Hustler? You guys want to say what's up to the hustler? Yes or no? Come on, guys. 13. No, Steven, it's the best news I've ever gotten. Okay, Investing Hustler is gonna. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Waiting on Investing Hustler. Oh, what? There you go for 13K. Did you just subscribe? This is the third time I've celebrated 13K today. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, Tom the Trader, I don't know much about that company. To be honest, man, you probably do more research than me when it comes to a lot of small caps. Yeah. What's up, Investing Hustler? Are we collabing later or what? Bro. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm refreshing my subscribers right now. I feel like this is PewDiePie versus T-Series all over again. No. No. Hey. You guys are killing me. I'm just gonna keep doing this. What the heck, guys? Whoever's messing with me, just subscribe at some point today. Resubscribe at some point. Still have 19. All my PS4 and VR are sold. Hustler, did you sell all your Christmas gifts? Still have 19 games left. Nice. Nvidia might be looking good right now. Hit that like button, guys. Let's get this chat to 100 likes so I can go to bed. Checking back again. Oh, there we go. Thank you. This is the 4th time today I've celebrated 13K. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. If we can keep this channel over 13K, that'd be sweet. Nvidia. You guys want to know a fun fact? I pulled an all-nighter. Bro. Oh my goodness. I just lost 2 subscribers. Whoever's doing this is killing me. Come on, guys. Oh my. Thanks a lot. It's the last collab we're doing. Ever. Just kidding.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
You guys are naughty today. Come on. It's kind of amusing though, but I mean, oh, we're back up to 13,000. 13,000 subscribers, guys. Congratulations for the 5th time. I feel like this video is gonna just turn into, I should change the title of this live stream to Departures Capital 13,000 subscribers versus T-Series. Back to Planet 13K. I'm just waiting on that 1301 so I can say Screw you guys. Bro, shut. I'm not checking it anymore. I'm just gonna make a fake account and subscribe to myself so I don't gotta deal with this. Alright. So distracting. So distracting. Okay, okay. APHRIA is not holding $8. Aurora is down to 790. Guys, I'm sorry. This is the most off-topic stock market update in the world. I just can't. Okay, well, as long as it's profitable, I mean, I can provide the entertainment, but I hope you guys don't get sick of me. Am I high? Is that the second time I've been asked, am I high today? Nope. I'm definitely not high, but I haven't slept in a long time. So it's kind of the same thing. So I have an idea, guys. Should I go live? Oh, wait. Just got 2 new subscribers in Investing Hustler. Don't need your subscriber anyways. Oh, it's still at 13. Damn. No, Max, it's just a ton of green tea keeping me alive, but I ran out now, so it's a problem. All right. Any news from NBEV? Not that I know of. But it's up 7.88% today. NBEV was a fantastic buy at $3. Really? Investing Hustlers trolling me again. Watch this. It better be 1301. Yes! 1301. Killing it. Killing it. It's been kicking ass. I got in at 3. Yeah, I agree, Tom. You're almost up 100%. That's awesome. NBEV is killing it. I was talking about NBEV at $3. Right down here. Right down here. What is going on today? Cannabis on fire. Let me check. Investing Hustler. Oh. Investing Hustler just unsubscribed. Sorry, bro. I got that 1 extra subscriber now, so there's nothing you can do about it. Nobody else get any funny ideas?
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
Here, 1 sec, guys. Can you see the... Oh, you can't see the buttons. Whatever.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
Take that. Whoops. There you go. It's going to be a green morning followed by heavy selling, guys. Look out. Markets are coming down. Just kidding. We'll see what happens. Can't cover the entire trading day. Shush. 13. Investing Hustlers trolling me. There's no way. Oh, see? You guys, oh, you guys are so annoying. Back down to 12,998. Thanks, guys. Thanks for all those unsubscribes. Appreciate it. Why are we looking at this? Okay, there we go. Let's see what's going on in the markets. Let's read some articles. Tech stocks lead Wall Street higher on China-US trade talk progress. That one looks interesting. U.S. stocks jumped on Tuesday, rising for the second day in a row, led by technology companies on signs of progress between China and the U.S. to resolve their trade dispute, which has roiled the markets for months. This is the easiest article I've read in a long time. You know why? Because it's not like they're trying to write some Shakespeare poetry. Sometimes I feel like these writers are so ridiculous. The roughly 1% gains, also boosted by data that showed U.S. producer prices rose last month, helped the benchmark S&P and blue chip Dow Jones sharply cut their losses for the year. Cool. Best live stream ever. Yeah, best live stream ever. Losing mad subs. Thanks, bro. I earned a unsubscribe, you mean? Because now we're 3 subscribers off of 13K. Maybe I'm just losing real subscribers. Appreciate it, guys. So, what time is it? It is. I know, Jordan. I think they're just joking. I think they're just messing around with me. Hopefully, you guys hit that subscribe button at the end of this stream, and don't forget to resubscribe to me. Anybody who unsubscribed. I can't take it, guys. I'm getting too emotional. If I celebrate 13K one more time, it's taking a toll on me. It might not be able to release Market Minute today. I hope so. Green Day on the subs, just a little pullback. That's a good one, Tom. Let's check again. Where's that live? Where's that? Oh, we got one more subscriber back. Live subscriber count. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna live stream my subscriber count. Okay, that's not me. I wish it was. Cheers, Capital. Here we go. Yeah, I'm watching you guys. I'm watching you guys. Where's the live subscriber count? There we go. This is not live. There we go. Changing the title to Departures Capital Live Subscriber Count. We're just going to do this. Uh-oh. We're just going to put it right here. Hey. There we go. Sorry, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, perfect. There we go. Perfect. All right, back to the oh my goodness, you guys are crazy. Back to the cannabis stocks. All right. Where are we here? ACB. One second, guys. There we go. Sorry about that. Cannabis stock. There we go. Thanks, guys. Appreciate those unsubscribes. Now we can just watch it live. That might be that might be true. That might be a bad idea to show my sub count. We went up one. 2, that's for after stream, midstream. You're kind of asking for a troll. Now do air squats. Hey everyone. What's up? What's up, Awake? Awake is finally awake. Oh, we went up 2. Gaining subs so fast, guys. Oh my. So, I'm gonna talk to you guys till, oh my gosh, I'm gonna talk to you guys till 11:30. That marks that's the 2-hour mark, and I'm tired. So, questions? Questions? Any questions? Any questions, guys? Yeah, 11:30 is nap time. That's for sure, Max. That's for sure. I'm super, super tired. Questions about the market? Questions about thoughts are Weed MD? How am I gonna celebrate when I reach 13K? Coming to Toronto. I'm gonna come and find Investing Hustler and make him resubscribe to me. I hear you. After laundry, 2 p.m. nap time. 11:30 is workout time for me. Got some snatch, grip, rows to do. Sounds fun. I went to the gym earlier tonight. Yesterday. Oh, someone just resubscribed. Appreciate that, guys. We've got 21 minutes left in this stream. So, anybody who didn't subscribe,
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
especially on a green day. Come on, guys. All right. So, let's check in on Nvidia. Nvidia is still down. Algonquin is up. We are seeing crude oil down up 2.5%. Chinese tech stocks leading. Snatch grip rose. Yeah, I know. People are messing with me right now. I'm never telling you guys that I'm at 13K again. Never ever. Never ever ever. ACB holding on to their gains, up 3%, having a mild green day. What else do you guys want to talk about? Should I sell ace beam buy for your other way around? Strong sub resistance. Yeah, the technicals right now are, how do we zoom out here? I don't know how to do this, guys. Whatever. So right now we're hitting resistance right around the 12,996 level. You know, we've bounced off it a couple times. And currently it's trending upwards. So we're looking to hit resistance around the 13,000 mark. But potentially this Departures Capital could break out. If it does, we could head into the 13,100 level. But for now, not much volume on the markets. It's a light trading day. It's a very light trading day. So yeah, guys, this is definitely one stock that's on my watch list. Oh, there was Departures Capital is looking to be in an uptrend currently. The RSI is looking good. Oh, Andrew Left just put out a report about Departures Capital that brought the stock down back into the 12,998. Oh, we just hit Yep. Departures Capital was upgraded by RBC Capital Markets. Strong buy, 20,000 target. But then it just got downgraded. Okay, enough of this crap, guys. Okay, whatever. Yep, it's the last time I'm checking. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer to talk about cannabis stocks, or should I just talk about the Departures Capital charts? Hit that like button, guys, if you didn't hit the like button already. If you find this live stream amusing and completely irrelevant to what the topic's about. Oh my gosh. Weed MD. I've celebrated 13K 6 times today already. Yeah, sorry T-Flex. Sorry anybody who wants to know about the cannabis stocks. Weed MD and the other one are 2 stocks that I don't know much about. I feel pretty bad. Are you ACB on the American side? Yep. Don't worry, Benjamin. That's in US dollars. That's in US dollars. You guys can't see that? Oh, I guess I see what's wrong. Sorry, guys. Let me just... Yeah, I'm in Canadian dollars. Close to 52-week low, so that's good. What if I do this? There we go. Perfect. 13K, guys. It's celebration time. Thanks so much, guys. I appreciate it. And then someone's going to unsubscribe. And then it's never going to end. 13K is Departures Capital's 52-week high. We just keep bouncing off of that level. I know you're messing me up, man. See? See? Okay. You guys are killing me here. was short-lived. It was short-lived, but I really appreciate it. I appreciate the donation. We're back to 13K, guys. We're back to 13K. We're back to 13K, and I got a donation. You know what's better than hitting 13K? When NTB comes into the room and drops a donation. That's what's better than 13K. Oh my, I can't even look at this. Okay. All right, guys, so 13 minutes left on this stream. We're not gonna wrap it up, but we're going to how many times have I said that? We're gonna recap these cannabis stocks for you guys to. All right. I'm going to make sure you get another 100 subs today, emailing the entire brokerage your channel, buddy. Jordan, that's huge. I appreciate that if it's true. If it's true, that's amazing. And I'll do more streams if you guys enjoy these streams. Do you guys enjoy these streams, even though this stream was full of fluff and a bunch of jokes and stuff? Serious question, guys. Do you guys enjoy my streams? Even though it wasn't 100%, you know, like, okay. Now, who in here dislikes my streams and thinks I should be more factual and have more stuff? Okay. Oh,
Naughty.
that was an accident. I'm sorry, guys. All right, we'll drop a little bit of value now. NBev's up 8%. International Cannabis up 6%. MedMen's up 6%. APHRIA's up 5.98% to almost $8 again. We're seeing a lot of green. No, I know it's true. It's funny. I honestly accidentally hit the button when I mentioned Bush, and I was like, they're commemorating Bush.
Naughty.
And then I hit the button by accident. But no, I try and start the streams off with like valuable stuff, like what's going on in the open, any news, any kind of stuff that happens. But then I just get sidetracked because you guys crack me up, and I just want to do funny stuff. Anyways. So yeah, it's a mild green day. We'll see if it sticks to the close. 1301. That's all right. We'll recap the markets though. We will recap the markets for you guys. I am very tired. Very tired. Dow, S&P, and the Nasdaq. Nasdaq's up 0.85%, S&P up 0.6%, and then Dow up 0.4%. We haven't checked on crypto yet today, guys. Another red day for crypto. Bitcoin 3,300. Oh boy. What's next? Silver up 0.5%, gold flat, and natural gas down 3.5%, crude up 2.29%. 10 more minutes, guys. I'll stay with you for 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Weed MD. I'm the worst. I'm sorry, Romeo. What would you like to know about Weed MD? $80 likes, guys. I appreciate that. see, yeah. So Max, I barely got any sleep last night. Like almost no sleep. That's the only reason why I'm tired. Weed MD. See, the problem is I don't really have much to say about Weed MD because I follow the company, but I don't know much about the company. I have a huge cannabis stock watch list, but I don't know that much about each individual company. More so only the ones that we invest into. So yeah, that's what I can. So those are two questions that I can answer. So NTB, I think that Aurora's deal, I think Mexico is a huge market. I think Mexico, huge population, although it's not going to sell for as much there. It's kind of a risky market, but I mean, the more countries, the better, personally, as long as ACB doesn't continue on with the dilution. But we're still holders of ACB, biggest position. Still think the company's great. And APHRIA at $8. I mean, well, Citron Research has a $10 price target. So if Citron's going long on a stock, it's good support. APHRIA is still risky though, so I'd be careful with APHRIA right now. Just whenever a company's going through stuff like this. Wow, thank you, Jordan. That's the first Canadian dollars I've ever received. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate anybody who donates to me. Your donations are much, much, much appreciated. And it'll only motivate me to put out better content, do more live streams, whatever you guys prefer. Can someone help out Romano here? He's asked me about Weed MD like 50 times, and I don't know much about Weed MD. So, like, you know what, Romano? I'm gonna research Weed MD for you, just because you're so persistent, and I can respect your persistence. Romano. Bruh, my Zimbabwe dollars are actually not worthless. No, I know. NTB, you're my top donator. What is that a bad thing to say? Donator. You're my top supporter. That's what I'm trying to say. You're my top supporter, and I know that they're not Zimbabwe dollars. Every time you donate, it's like quite a bit, and I appreciate it. So don't worry. I appreciate everything. Even if you gave me one, what are they? NOKs? NOK. I'd still appreciate it. So Departures Capital earned $46 this quarter. Currently this stock is in an uptrend. And yeah, guys, we're over 13K, so thanks a lot. Departures Capital is close to its 52-week high, but I would still rate it as a buy. I think we're getting close to lunchtime, so 4 minutes, I'm heading out. 4 minutes, I'm heading out, guys. Any more questions? It's been a very fun live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys had fun, because this was a fun one. I hope you guys didn't get annoyed that I got so distracted and off topic and all that stuff. So yeah. I'm not showing my subscriber count again though. Yes. Departures Capital is not responsible for any personal subscription decisions. True news. I feel like I'm going to lose you guys as my subscribers if I don't answer these questions. Thanks for the live stream as always. Yes, of course, Tom. My pleasure. So Choom, so Bam and Choom. Let's just put it this way, guys. I got to do some research. I wish I knew everything. But if anyone can help these guys out in the comments, please do. Departures Capital, I'm trying to build a community. So, yeah, I don't know everything, but hopefully someone in the chat can help you out or whatever. And I'll do my best to check out that stuff for you guys. So, social media. So anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap up this live stream. This happens every time. I'm going to wrap up this live stream. Any last questions? Any last words? Any last suggestions? Yes, Tom, that's a great suggestion. I can be much more prepared for the live stream, that's for sure. No worries. Okay. Don't forget to hit that like button before you guys go, or that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And short squeeze to 14K subs, target December 28th. That would be amazing. So, anyways, guys, I think a recession would bring cannabis stocks down. I think a recession would bring all stocks down. That's the last question of the day. Man, I hope we found the bottom. I can't take it anymore. Could always go lower, you know what? It's lit. Okay, guys, I wish I could talk to you all day, but I'm going to head out. I appreciate everybody joining my live stream, everybody watching, and okay, I'll do this tomorrow again. So we can talk again. I will live stream tomorrow morning. Oh. Thanks for joining, Humble, but I do have to go. It's 11:30. I'm sorry, guys. I feel bad now. You missed the green day. NBEV's up 10.9%. We're seeing cannabis stocks rally now. Holy wait a second, guys. Something might be going on here. NBEV just moved up like crazy. We're moving up like crazy right now. Yeah, something's happening. So one sec. I need to check. Just when I thought I was going to be able to end this live stream. Markets are going nuts. Let's see here. Jeez. Where we go? Where are we here? We'll check into the cannabis stocks one more time. Yeah, it's just NBEV that's moving up. ACB's 792. All right, guys. So that's it for today. And I'll do the stream again tomorrow. So thanks for tuning in. And oh yeah, before I go, feel free to drop me any suggestions for tomorrow's live stream. We'll give you guys a few seconds. Any more suggestions for tomorrow's live stream? All right. And that wraps up the show. Feel free to drop comments for tomorrow's live stream, what you guys would like to see, how I can do a better job, or whatever. Just let me know, guys. Just let me know. So, I'm taking a nap. I'm out.